This is Amber trying to fix her broken typewriter toy thingy. And she's just making matters worse.
Can I fix it?
I've heard that one before.
I can fix it. Just go here, see?
And it goes flying across the room for Cat to go chase.
Mine, Etta. It's okay. I can still fix it. I'll just leave this off for now. It's not even important anyway. See? It moves. See, it actually stays. See, I fixed it!
Uh-huh. We'll believe you when we see it put back together.
Even important right now.
Adieu for now. I did not. You broke it yourself. And she won't let me try to fix it or look at it, so.
I can fix it.
Like I said, this is Amber being stubborn.
It survived 23 years of my life. And then I played with it once. Just once. You break it.
I did not break it. It was